Very nice. Just finished making and eating this recipe. It's worth. It's so delicious and also very easy to make. Stuffed vegetables and cottage cheese in chicken coated with spice mix with smooth Hollandaise sauce. Extremely easy and superbly delicious recipe. Have a look on my video. In a small bowl, add 1½ tablespoon cayenne pepper or paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ tablespoon onion powder, and mix well. Spice mix is ready and now keep aside. And now I am going to make the stuffing. Take a pan, heat 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 sliced onion, 1 cup red bell peppers. Saute for 1 minute. To this I am adding 1 cup chopped spinach. Give this a very good mix. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Goes in half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon spice mix. Give this a very good mix. Finally add 1 cup grated cottage cheese. Mix this nicely and cook for few seconds and keep aside. Cut a pocket into the side of each chicken fillet. Now fill this with prepared stuffing. Insert toothpick or skewer to seal the chicken edges. Now I am going to prepare Hollandaise sauce. In a saucepan, add 100 grams butter, melt it and rest it for 2 to 3 minutes. In a saucepan, add water and bring it to boil. Place another pan, add 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and whisk well. During whisking, add 2 tablespoons water, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper powder. Whisk approximately 1 minute. Gradually add melted butter and whisk continuously until smooth. In a frying pan, add cooking oil and butter. Let it melt. Now place stuffed chicken fillet in a pan. Close the lid and cook both the sides for 4 to 5 minutes in a medium-high heat until golden brown. Now place the chicken fillet on serving plate. Drizzle Hollandaise sauce. Garnish with some parsley and prepared stuffing. So what are you waiting for? Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.